Hey folks, it's January 7th, 2019. This is episode 7 of Plane Savers. Whew. Okay folks, it is minus 27 out this morning, which is minus 17 Fahrenheit. One thing I want to show you guys about the cold weather, I know a lot of people were asking about cold weather, is trucks. So because it's so cold, we have to actually plug in the vehicles. You can see that light right there. That's actually a plug-in from the wall. I've never lived in a place that you didn't need to plug in your vehicle. So yeah, here I'll show you what it's like to start a cold truck. Don't want to get a copyright claim. So, if I never had that vehicle or my truck plugged in, there's a chance it would have not started. That's one thing you have to deal with this cold weather. Okay guys, just a quick thing. What does it mean to plug in your vehicle? To me, just second nature, but I realize that some people might not understand why we would plug our vehicle into the wall. Like, this isn't Elon Musk's Tesla truck. It's just a regular truck. So what you need to do is to keep the things under the hood warm. The two things in particular are the engine oil and battery. If you can imagine, the engine oil is kind of like your blood. If your blood starts thickening up, it's going to be very hard for you to move. The second part, the battery, which provides energy to the starter to start. If it's cold, it doesn't have the same cranking amps, just like the battery's efficiency goes down when it's cold. So if your blood is thick and your heart isn't working that good, you're just not going to get out of bed. And that's what happens with the truck is, yeah. So you plug it in. Hopefully that made sense. Yeah. Have you ever had to plug in a vehicle or not? Let me know. There we go. Okay, folks, we made it to work. One thing is that sometimes when it gets really cold, people actually plug in their vehicles at work. So not only do you plug in your vehicles overnight, you actually come in and plug them at work, because the 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 hours you're at work, the vehicle could freeze up. So when you hear on the news, some people say that electric cars are inconvenient because you got to plug them in. Come the Yellowknife, and we basically all drive like electric cars. Okay, actually I have 2 surprises for you today. I'm pretty excited. First thing, I got a package yesterday. I didn't open it because I was busy making the last episode, but I'm gonna go in the boardroom and we're gonna open up. I'm gonna show you a Christmas gift that I bought myself. I'm pretty excited, and hopefully you guys like it. Okay, for this to make sense, I gotta explain. There's an artist called Danno Brown. He's amazing, and he specializes in making custom action figures. He's got some really good ones like Steve Martin, The Jerk, Robert Stack, Unsolved Mysteries, and even Brody from Point Break. I love his art, and I always wanted to order one for myself, and so I did, and check this out. So I got Ice Pilots' Bruce Dickinson, the pilot, who's also the lead singer of Iron Maiden. He flew his own 747 called Ed Force One. So I got this custom action figure. Hopefully I can get Bruce to sign it one day. This is so awesome. Hey folks, I just got off the phone with Uncle Ronnie. He's in Red Deer right now. He's getting some parts. He's pretty excited. The engines are coming off the parts bird. Hopefully, we got an airplane taking off. sorry about that. That Dash 7 kind of ruined the audio, but hopefully I've got a little bit of flyby there for you. So Uncle Ronnie, getting the parts ready, so we're going to have an update in Red Deer soon. In the meantime, I wanted to show you guys JKM here, and I can give you a little bit of history on where this DC-3 came from. It's our primary DC-3 that we're using right now. It can haul 1,000 pounds more than any other one that we have, which makes it a little bit more economical. But let's go back to the past and see where JKM came from. Douglas DC-3, Charlie Golf Juliet Kilo Mike, or JKM for short, was born in Oklahoma in 1944, same place as our D-Day bird DTD. Her serial number was 42-93645, and also the RAF gave her the number of KG713. I don't have all the info right now, but she was in World War II, not D-Day, but after the war, the Canadian Armed Forces converted her into a CC-129, and in 1980, Buffalo Airways buys her, only her third owner, and converts it to a Douglas DC-3, which you see today. Well, back in the boardroom, this awesome figure actually gave me a little bit of an idea. People have been asking if I was going to start a Patreon, and I might one day, but I was thinking, hey, I got this, I was just going to throw this out, but maybe if I, sit back here and glue it all together. Here, so I got it all together. I added a little bit of a Plane Savers logo, copy of my title card. I think I'm just going to give it a little sign here. Yeah, here we go. I think I'm going to put this bad boy on eBay, put her down for a penny, and if you guys want to bid on it and throw it on your wall for a keepsake, it'd be pretty cool. Worst case scenario, I'll probably buy it back from you. So good luck bidding. Well, second day in a row, Rod caught me playing arts and crafts, but we got some good news. We actually might have solved our engine problem. Here, I'll let Rod show you how to find engines.
So basically, if we're going to find engines for DC-3s, there's a brand new engine there, ready to be built up. But we don't want to use a brand new engine, because that's not good luck. What we want to do is come up with some very good engines that have the biggest chance of success and doesn't hinder our process. Now this engine here is essentially the perfect left-hand engine because it's 250 hours. It's been gone through by the overall shop. It has a left-hand exhaust on it already. How about that? It's perfect. This engine is well known. It's got a great history, so if we use this one and a high time spare that we have located in Red Deer from P&R, we balance the TPOs perfectly. It's almost like just taking one of our own airplanes and going for a ride. This is the perfect engine. So basically, when we take a look at this aircraft, or this engine, as a candidate for the DTD Invasion, we got an authorized release certificate. It's partially built up, so it doesn't have anything installed on it that isn't proprietary to another airplane, so specific elements of this engine can be transferred from Ronnie's spare to a known good engine.
Well, Rod, that's good news. We got ourselves an engine. Ronnie's got one in Red Deer. We got the second one here in the engine shop. For the people at home, Rod, can you just, very rare to actually see behind the engine, can you just go through all the components that we have right here that are already on the airplane?
Yeah. Basically, this engine was built up non-specific to an aircraft type other than to the left-hand installation. So the components that come with the engine overall are essentially two magnetos. When the engine overall company runs it in, the two magnetos are installed. We installed a starter, so the 1416 small direct starter, and a 200 amp generator. Everything else would be specific, so it has its fittings. So what Ronnie will do is he'll install the proper electrical harness a new carb that he has prepped properly, and we're off to the races.
But so luckily we have the parts, and I can't stress that enough. We got the people, we got the parts, and we got the support of you guys at home. So that's what we're gonna do, and get this thing flying.
Well, and additionally, the cost per hour is quite low for an 1830. So if you only have to do one tour over Normandy, then we'll just charge you per hour.
So right now it looks like we have the engine sorted out, but I do have one more surprise for you. So look who it is, who we got here. Picture in picture in picture.
Hi Mikey, how you guys doing? All right?
Okay folks, so I just had a big interview with Captain Joe, the #1 aviation YouTuber on the planet, maybe even Mars, the moon, everything like that. So we had a great time. There he is right there.
Hi guys.
So today is Tuesday, I think the 7th. So Joe's gonna edit this and do it properly on his channel. He's got what, 880,000, 890 yet?
Something like that, yeah.
So I'll get my mom to subscribe so you get an extra one there. But yeah, so our video is gonna come out this Friday. So stay tuned. Here, say hi, Joe.
See you guys. Really appreciate your time and see you soon.
Okay, folks, hopefully you liked that video. I just finished editing it, and I'm gonna go live on eBay. So there we go. She's on eBay. 1 penny. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. I got a surprise for you. I got another Ice Pilots guy who's gonna come in and do a cameo. So good luck. God bless. Fly safe. See you later. Bye.